Here we are. Construction update. They already poured the columns for the two-story. There's like 10 of them. So that's the two-story. Panghay po mo diha, oy! Ano ba ni? Tanaw mo kamera! Ah. Mana sila Philippine monkey. And this is the main house. And yeah, we're moving along. This is the porch right here. And of course that's the main door. This is the main door. Oop. And that's the living room. And this hall right here is actually a storage. So see that? So from there, you're gonna put the wall here to there. And this is Mama's bedroom. Mama's bedroom with 3 big windows. And of course this is the bathroom. There's 2 doors in the bathroom. That's when they are from the bedroom. And this is the other door. And that's the main door here. I'm gonna put doors here too. So, and this is the open living room kitchen. So this is the kitchen right here. Let me show you the kitchen. So that's the kitchen. That's the door, the kitchen, and there's another door, and there's the window. That's gonna be where the sink is, and this is gonna be a whole glass here, sliding glass door, so that you can see the whole view. And this is the other door, and that's a fixed window. That's a fixed window there. And we still have a lot of filling to do. As you can see the level of the. This is supposed to be up to here. So how high it is. And of course that's gonna be where the lanai is. That's the lanai. Actually, that's the lanai. And I'm gonna go back. What's that? I'm really happy with the outcome here. So we use 6 inches black on everything here. Because Mike said, that's what we use in the US. 6 inches black. So this is the front yard. Oh, we have some garden here too. We have a bitter melon. I'll show you the garden. We already have tomatoes here. So these are cherry tomatoes. We already have fruits. See that? And of course papaya grow everywhere here. And that's pepper. And that's the garage. Mike's garage. So they're ready. Actually the roof is ready for the roofing, but you know, we're in a lockdown, we can't ship it from Cebu. So those are some of the mahogany trees there for the beams. And that's the front of the house. We're actually on our week 9 here. We are only like 2 months and 1 week. Not even 1 week. But we already did everything for the fencing. The fencing is finished. Not finished, but we have to stucco them, and half of it is going to be a bamboo, so that's going to be a different deal. This is the side of the house, and this is like a, so this is the door, the kitchen, and it's a step down here, so that's where you get out from the kitchen. And all the doors are, we're hoping we can get it glass doors. So, and there's a trellis around here, so there's a step down to the back. Okay. So that's very nice. These guys are finishing that's gonna be the septic tank. It's a nice one. See how deep it is? And that's the septic tank. I think it's a 2 by 4, 2 meters depth and 4 wide. I think that's the size. And of course, this is Coco, our special coconut. She's special because she is going to be a decorative from the lanai to the kitchen. So here is pretty good. So yeah, everything is looking good. So we're still. Just look at those woods. These are actually mahogany wood right there. Yeah. So there's 10 columns here at the main house. Oh, not the main house, at the 2-story. We're getting there. So I am going to bring you the other project that we just finished. And this is the salakot, and we call it the turtle hat. Turtle hat is so nice. Hayahay we call it, because it's right there, and Mama is there. Say hi, Ma. Hi. And yeah. Day, say hi, Day. Namintana ka lang? No. I know. So I'm thinking of putting some sand. And this one we're still working on the stairs. For this, we're just going to put some outdoor tiles. And die, no, just stay there. Hey, stay there. So it's pretty cool. This is introducing turtle hat. We call this a turtle hat because it's whenever you're up here, you can see the turtles down there. And we have yellow, red, and what's the other color, Ma, of the turtle? The one that you saw, it was yellow, red, and was the say hi.
Brown.
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 Hey. And of course, that's Inday. Inday, excuse me, Lai. No. Nakoy gidang ko ano. Na. Kada. And this is, see the view we have right here. It's pretty nice, huh? But, this is, I have this design. No. Like a little bar right here. right now I put the stools, but